Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com, and today's video quick. If you want to make more money, don't go for more training. I see this all the time. People are struggling financially and they think if I just had this one more degree, there's just one more certification, one more modality, one more tool, then I'd make more money. No, that's not true. The number of modalities you have has pretty much zero to do with how much money you make. How much money you make depends on, of course, how good you are in the long term, but you could probably just take the modality you have and really work it and really help a lot of people. So I'm not saying don't get more training. I recommend it. I would urge you to always be learning, always be boning up and getting more tools you can use with your clients. But I'm saying there are people who are incredibly qualified, who know 10 times more than you know, have 10 times the modalities that you have, more experience, more skill, and they're more broke than you. So that's not the thing. If you want to be better at your craft, sure, get more training, keep doing the work. If you want to make more money, you have to get better at those 5 fundamentals I talk about on my website. Go to marketingforhippies.com/steps, and you'll see the article under the My Philosophy tab on my website. What are those 5 steps? Number 1, you've got to handle what I call the Marketing for Hippies 101. You've got to find a way that marketing can feel good. You got to deal with the grossness, the ickiness, that feeling, the aversion you have to marketing, because if you don't, you'll always be averse to it and you won't do it and you won't make money. Number 2, you've got to figure out your niche. Stop trying to be everything to everybody. Number 3, you have to figure out your point of view. What's your unique take, your lens on it, your twist, your contrarian approach? What's the way you see it? That maybe other people don't. That's different. Number 4, you got to figure out your business model. For the love of God, if you want to make money and be profitable, you have to do this, because your business model is what defines and determines your profitability, not your marketing. And number 5, you've got to then focus on this hub marketing piece. So you're not the one trying to market yourself. You're getting other people to do a lot of that marketing for you. If you want to make money, go back to those 5 things. Figure out where the sticking point is and deal with that. Because it's those 5 in that order. And I won't recap them because I've done other videos. You can check out the page. But find out where you're stuck and work on that. That will do more to improve your profitability than any amount of training you could get. If you want to make more money, do not go for more training. Go for more of the fundamentals. And that will do, those 5 fundamentals, that'll do more. So that's all. So again, if you want to check out those fundamentals, go to marketingforhippies.com/steps. If you want the meta take on the real fundamentals in marketing, check out my starter kit at marketingforhippies.com. And if you would like to share these fundamentals with others, please share this video with people you know and love. On Facebook groups you're in, an email, text it in a Telegram group. Please feel free to share it up. That's all for today. Thanks for popping by.